a school student or 9 to 5 and want to be like this trader who drives a G-Wagon and a Mercedes-Benz, then this video is for you. This is the trading strategy that even a grade 3 can actually start to use it today and make money. So first, what you need to do is to mark from the start of the day to exactly 8 a.m. Now that you have these levels, you want to mark the low and the highest point that you have during this actual range. Now that you have these two levels, you want to have the pair that you'll be trading to go either the low of the range or the high of the range, then reject it, come back inside the range, you enter a buy trade or sell trade and make profit. So let's look for a proper example so that I can show you step by step how to actually make money with this strategy as a high school student or 9 to 5. So 1 hour before you actually go to work to 9 to 5 or go to school which starts at 9 a.m. you want to have marked the high and the low that you have between the range of the morning up to 8 a.m. Now as you can see right here, Euro USD actually went below the low that you marked right here and then rejected it to start to go the opposite direction of what you had right here before 8 a.m. This only means one thing: the market is about to go up sharply and take out this actual previous high. So you enter as early as possible with your stop loss of 20 to 30 pips and you take profit at the opposite side of this actual range. And look what happened afterwards. Euro USD actually went up sharply, taking out all the highs right here, and by the time you go to break, you'd have made money from this level up to this actual level. As you can see, this is actually very simple and anyone can actually do this using this actual strategy. If you do not understand the first trade, this one is much simpler. You can see this is the low and also this is the highest point that you have from 12 a.m. up to 8 a.m. If you want to know the exact time this will be in your country, comment below your country so that I can tell you the exact time that you can actually be finding this actual trade to make money. So now look right here, from 8 a.m. Euro USD actually went below this actual low that you have right here, then rejected it and started to turn right here. This is where you enter your buy trade with your stop loss 20 to 30 pips and your take profit will be right here. Now look what happened afterwards. Euro USD went up to take out this actual high, and by the time you get out of school, you'll be deep in profits. If you actually have more time to watch your charts, you can actually take a second trade right around here. Once you see that the market is above this actual range, after rejecting this actual low like this, you will see the market start to consolidate right around here, forming a pattern. It can be a W pattern or a V pattern. You enter your buy trade and make even more profit as the market continues to go up. This does not just work on Euro USD, it works on Euro pairs, GBP pairs, and most pairs which are active during the London session. But if you trade other pairs which are active during the New York session, comment below the pair that you trade so that in the coming videos I will share the New York version of the session strategy so that you can also make money during your lunch break or when you actually get back home. It is not every time that the market will go just above the high and turn immediately. Sometimes it can actually go for some time, like this actual trade. You can see it actually went up for 2 to 3 hours above this actual range, then came back in right around here. When it comes back in like this is where you enter with your stop loss of 20 to 30 pips and you take profit target at the lows right here. But if you want to make this actual strategy much more easier, you can actually use this indicator to actually find perfect entries. So for example, right here you mark the low and also the high that you have from 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Then from 8 a.m. you have the market going below this actual low, then change to actually start to go up. For your entry, you wait for a candle which closes above this actual range and also this actual moving average so that you can actually enter with a little to no drawdown. Usually between the first version and this second version, you usually get the same entries, but go and test out this actual strategy without the moving average and also when it has the moving average and come back to this video. Comment below know which one has a higher winning rate, and also which pair do like trading between Euro USD and GBP USD or any other GBP or Euro pairs. The ones who are able to actually go and do this actual homework, go through with the backtesting, finding the perfect entries with this strategy are the ones which are going to be buying G-Wagons, driving Mercedes-Benz, traveling all around the world with the forex profits that they make with this actual strategy. So which type of trader are you? The ones who set big goals and actually achieve them, or the ones which watch others while they're achieving their goals and dreams? This is more by Forex. See you on the next video.